welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. I always get so excited to do my Boxycharm unboxings with you guys, and I have here actually two boxes to share with you this month. So I have the premium box along with the regular base box. So why don't we go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So I normally just have the base box, but they actually sent over the premium box this month as well. So I'm going to unbox both of them for you. I am going to start with just the regular box since that's what I normally do on my channel. And if you guys just want to see this and this is all you want to see, you can just watch that first. So we're going to get started. If you are new to these unboxings, they are a monthly subscription service where you receive full size and items every single month. I'm used to saying full size and trial size. If you are looking for that type of box, the Allure box does that, but the Boxycharm is full size products every single month. So we have the base box, which is $25, and the premium box, which is $35. And this one I don't normally get, so I'm excited to see what is inside of that one. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so the theme this month is sunshine. We always get these little cards here that have all of the details on all of the products. My variation is number 31, so in case you're interested in that. I will also have the dimensions of my box down below in case you're interested in that as well, of both boxes. So first in here, I see a product from Hourglass. Ooh, we're getting a little bougie here. So this is the Arch Brow Multi-Sculpting Pencil. Interesting. I don't know that I've heard anyone talking about this. We might have, but I got mine in the shade Dark Brunette. And let's go ahead and see. So here is what the packaging looks like. Hourglass is a more pricey brand, so that is exciting and something different to get. I like brow pencils, so I'm assuming you guys could probably customize this to your preference when it comes to your brows. I'm assuming, I'm not sure exactly, but we do have a spoolie on the other side, and then here is the shade medium brown right there in case you end up getting that shade. And the cost on this brow pencil is $28, so that is a pricey brow pencil, but I'm excited about that one. Okay, next in here we have Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. This is the eye mask, an anti-wrinkle energizing eye mask. So here is the packaging there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so I can show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like there are a total of 12 different eye masks. Here is what they look like. They are just like a gold mask here, and the price on this box is $21 for all of them. Love getting eye masks. I use those quite regularly for my under eyes, so I appreciate that. Also in here, we have another skincare product. This is from 111 Skin, and this is the Pollution Difference Booster. All right, so a booster defense anti-pollution. Here is what that one looks like. I think this is a pricey brand. Yeah, this retails for $135. That is a pricey product. Holy moly. Okay, here is what the serum looks like right there. So it says, let's go ahead and see what it says. Shake this onto your palms, apply with your favorite moisturizer after cleansing. So it says that this will help your skin against harmful aggressors of digital age. So the unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through powerful combination of peptides. So it is like a blue light serum. So that is that. And then we also have a couple more products next. So it looks like we have a palette. This one is from Pure, and it is the Festival. It's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. And I think we got a Festival palette from Pure in the past. So this is the 2.0. Here's the palette packaging there. Very holographic and fun. And I'll go ahead and show you guys the inside. So here is what the inside of the Festival 2 palette looks like. I'll go ahead and do some swatches for you. All right, so here are swatches of all 12 of the shades. They swatched really nicely. I like this color story. It's something different, something fun. I like that blue shade in there. I love blues, but these two look really pretty. So this is a pressed pigment palette, so more than likely this is not safe for the eyes. They say that, so just keep that in mind if you are wanting to try this one. So this retails for $36. Okay, and it looks like I have one more product in here, and this is the Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. I think this is just a liquid liner, and this is from Dose, I believe is the brand. This retails for $21, so it is just a liquid liner pen. And here's a couple of swatches of that. It looks very, very black, and it was pretty easy to swipe, so that's exciting. So if you're someone who likes wings liner, that is in here as well. So that is our entire box that we got this month. We got some good products. I'm pretty excited about a few of these. So I'm really excited about the brow products from Hourglass. This is going to be really nice, I have a feeling. I like that we got the eyeliner. I have a lot of eyeliners in my collection, so for me that's not like super exciting, but nevertheless, it's always good to have just a plain black liner. Also have the Festival palette. I think the swatches look really pretty on that one. I like Pure's eyeshadows. And then I love eye patches, so this is a lot of eye patches, which I really like. And then this one I'm kind of like, I'm not so sure about. $135 for a serum seems really expensive, so I don't know about this. I'll try it out and let you guys know what I think, but let's go ahead and add up the total value of the base box. So the total on my base box is $241. So this is a very, very good box this month if you're going towards like value-wise. I'm assuming it's because that serum, like that itself, is $135, so that kind of amps up the box a little bit. So that is everything in my first Boxycharm box. So let me know down below what you got if you got the base box. And now we're going to move on to the premium box. All right, so the first product we got inside of here is from Brow Bar by Rena, and this is the Hollywood Icon Collection. So I'm assuming this is going to be like a brow palette. I don't know. Let's pull this out and see. So we have gold packaging right here. And let's open it up and see. I don't always love like brow palettes. They're not my favorite. So I'm kind of curious to see. Oh, okay, just kidding. This is not a brow palette. This is like eyeshadows and face products. I don't know why I thought this was, just because it's called the Brow Bar, I kind of thought this was going to be like a brow palette, but it's not. It's an eyeshadow palette. So here is the inside of that right there. It's called the Drama Queen palette. It's kind of a little bit like misleading, I feel like, with their name, but let's go ahead and swatch the shades so I can show you what they look like. Okay, so inside of here, it's like a full face palette. So it has a bronzer, a translucent powder, a blush. So inside of here, this is supposed to be like a face palette. So right on here, so it says a bronzer, a translucent powder, 2 blushes, 2 highlights, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 brush. So here is what the swatches on everything look like. So we have our translucent powder right there, the blushes, the bronzer, and then we have our 2 highlights, and then all of the eyeshadow colors right there. So this is definitely going to be like a universal palette for a lot of people. Pigmentation wise, it looked pretty nice, and then the little brush that comes in here is just like a little mini brush there. And the retail value of this palette is going to be, where is it? $24 for this. Okay, the next product in here is from Nelson J Beverly Hills. This is the Moisture Healing Mask. It says Argan Oil 7 Formula Diverse Combination of Multiple Benefits. So this is a hair mask. It says that it is coconut scented. I love coconut scented. So this is a pre-wash treatment. Wet hair, thoroughly apply the mask. Do not rinse. Then shampoo, and then condition. So this is actually a mask that you use before you shampoo or condition. So that's interesting. And the price on this one here is $24. It says on here that it detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair from fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, and restores silkiness and shine. Enhances natural body. That's a lot of claims. I've never tried a mask that goes on like before you shampoo it out, so this is interesting to me. So the next product in here is a cuticle oil, and this is from XoXo Natural. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. This is a cuticle revitalizing oil. It's a milk and honey scent. So here is what that looks like. I use a lot of cuticle oils for my nails just because I do them at home, and I feel like when you do your nails, I feel like you're pretty rough on them. So I like using cuticle oil, but here is what that one right there looks like, and the cost on this one is $18. So that's something different to get in here. Okay, the next product here is from Broy's, New York. This is a Bitter Green Essence Toner, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So here is what that looks like. It's almost like a gel consistency, it seems like. Has a little bit of, it almost seems like a gel. And the price on this toner right here is going to be, this is $95. Okay, this is the pricey toner as well. I can't say that I've ever heard of this brand. Let me know down below if you guys have. So far, every single brand that's been in here, I've never heard of. So that's kind of interesting. I don't know if they're like a lot of smaller brands or what, but I have never heard of them. But let's go ahead and move on. So from Milk Makeup, that's a brand I've heard of. This is the Kush Lash Primer. I've used this before actually. It's in the shade White Willow. I'm not going to open this one because I do already own this, but it is a lash primer. So this is something that you apply before you put on your mascara. I have used this one and I do like it. The price on this one is $24. It's going to help thicken and lengthen your lashes. And then it looks like we just have one more product in here, and this is from Morphe. This is the Morphe X Manny MUA Glam Palette. And let's go ahead and open this up. So you have Mr. Manny there on the back, and I'll go ahead and show you guys this palette. I don't remember this one, like what it looks like or anything, so I'm interested to see. So here's the packaging on it. Has just like a marble, like thunder packaging there, and it just says Morphe X Manny Glam Palette. Okay, so this one is a eyeshadow, it looks like, and a face palette. So on the inside here, you have all of the eyeshadow colors, and then it looks like 2 different highlights. So here is the inside of there. So it does say eyeshadow palette, so I'm assuming that this one is not like any pressed pigment, so it's a little bit different than the last palette. So I'll go ahead and do some swatches. It's been a while since I've gotten like a Morphe palette. I really don't have much from Morphe in my collection anymore. Not by choice, but kind of. Like I haven't, I guess, really found much from the brand that's really like spoke to me enough to purchase anything. So I'll go ahead and swatch. These swatches are looking pretty good so far. I like the mattes in here. They look like they're nice. I really don't remember anything about this, so you guys will have to remind me if you remember this coming out or when it came out, or maybe it's exclusive to this box. I really don't remember. But here is the swatches of everything. So here are all of the eyeshadow colors, and then we have the 2 highlights there on the end. So the highlights look really pretty. The color, like the palette itself, is definitely pretty like muted. I feel like this is a very like muted palette. When I think of Manny, I think of like bright colors, so I don't really know like per se if this is something that I would have pictured him coming out with, but it does look pretty. The swatches actually look really nice, so you guys will have to let me know down below what you guys think of this box, if it's worth it. So let's go ahead and add up the value here. I don't think I remembered, but the Morphe palette is $20, and this came out to $2.26 in this box. So again, really high value for this one. If I were to choose between the 2, I kind of almost liked the base box better. I think that the products in there are a little bit more like my style when it comes to the products. I do like that we got 2 palettes in here. I think that that's cool. The mascara, I know I like this one, so that's a great product. So the other products, though, I have not heard of these brands, so I'm kind of like, when it comes to them. The cuticle oil is something cool and different to get, but I've never heard of this brand for the toner, and that's really expensive for this one. I have heard of the other brands, the 111 brand in the other box, so I've heard good things about them. And then the brow bar, I have never heard of them either, but you guys will have to comment down below. I am interested in this hair mask, and let me know down below what you guys got in your boxes. And thank you so much for watching. Again, another Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.